Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming core prerequisites so you don't chase ghosts. Make sure your comp and source audio sample rates match. Mismatched rates cause pitch and sync drift. Once done, disable hardware audio preview in preferences and force software playback so After Effects uses consistent routing. Then clear the disk cache and verify you have ample cache size and free disk space to avoid hiccups during playback. These first steps reduce common causes of lag and let you move to precise fixes. Next, optimize playback and rendering behavior to eliminate lag during review. Lower your comp resolution to 1/2 or 1/4 so the CPU focuses on audio timing. Make sure preview is set to include audio. Increase the audio buffer size in preferences if intermittent dropouts occur, and enable reduce cache when stopped to free memory between previews. Use RAM preview or a draft render to lock audio timing. This ensures After Effects allocates memory to audio frames and finish by verifying with an actual render rather than relying solely on playback. Export a short test using Media Encoder or After Effects, render queue with matching sample rate and an uncompressed or high-quality codec, then confirm sync. If problems persist, transcode the audio to a 16-bit or 24-bit WAV and re-import to eliminate codec decoding delays. Restart After Effects, update your audio drivers, and make sure the operating system's sample rate matches After Effects. If that still fails, try isolating the clip in a new project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.